rainy night down, we all thought we would die. Then you looked up at me and said everything's fine. The moon is our guide. So how many you think? How many you think? How many you think? How many you think? Well, my heart and my soul are best friends, and you were right about the moon and I'm blessed. I told the girls and now we're moving in, and when it comes to love I know we are the best. And I think that